Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Selenium Town. In this video, we're going to see how to install TestNG in Eclipse and add the TestNG library to our automation project. Step 1. Install TestNG in Eclipse. Click on Help, and go to Eclipse Marketplace option. Search for TestNG, and click on Install. It might take a moment for Eclipse to load and process the installation, so just be patient while it completes. Click on Confirm. Accept the terms and conditions. Again, wait until it load and show the pop-up screen, so just be patient while it is loading. Click on Select All. Click on Always Trust All Content, and then click on Yes, I accept the risk. Now, a screen will display. To restart the Eclipse, just click on Restart Now. We've successfully installed TestNG in Eclipse. Now, let's take a quick moment to verify the installation. For that, go back to Help, open the Eclipse Marketplace again, and search for TestNG. As you can see, it is showing installed. Step 3. Add TestNG library to your project. Right-click on your project file, go to Build Path, click on Add Library. Select TestNG. Now, if you check your project, you'll see the TestNG library listed under the project libraries. This means TestNG has been successfully added to your automation project and is ready for use. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Selenium Town. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.